Hello viewers, my name is CPA Engineer Henry Kifua. Today we're going to discuss about bookkeeping and record keeping. First of all, when we talk about bookkeeping, it means that it is a process of recording, organizing, and maintaining financial transaction for a business or organization. Bookkeeping is the foundation of the accounting process, ensuring that financial records are accurate, up to date, and compliant with legal requirements. Bookkeeping helps business monitor their financial health, prepare for taxes, and make informed decisions. We have key components of bookkeeping. The first one is record transactions. When we talk about record transaction, it means that we need to track income, like sales, maybe school fees, and also need to record expenses, like utilities, salaries, and even depreciation. Another key component of bookkeeping is organizing financial records. It means that we need to maintain records of invoice, receipts, bank statements, and other documents. Another key component of bookkeeping is managing accounts, which we say we need to manage like account receivable and account payable. Another important component of bookkeeping is reconciling accounts. We need to match financial records with bank statements to ensure accuracy. Also, we need another key component of bookkeeping is tracking cash flow, monitoring flow and outflow to manage liquidity effectively. And the last key component of bookkeeping is preparing financial reports, where it means that we need to generate reports like income statements, balance sheet, and cash flow. We have different kind or method of bookkeeping. We have the first one we call it single entry, which actually is a very simple method. It records each transaction once. Normally it is cash basis, and it is suitable for small businesses. We have another method of bookkeeping which we call it double entry system, which actually records every transactions in two accounts, that is debit and credit. This one ensures their accuracy and supports preparation of comprehensive financial statements. It is actually normally standard for larger businesses. We have tools and techniques like manual bookkeeping, which actually we use traditional pen and paper or spreadsheets. This one is cost effective for very small business. We just use traditional pen and paper or spreadsheet. Another tool and technique you can use is bookkeeping software. This one it automates calculations, it generates reports, and integrates bank accounts. Example of bookkeeping software is QuickBooks or FreshBooks. Another tool or techniques is outsourcing, that you can hire professional bookkeepers or accounting firms for accuracy and compliance. Also, we need to understand the importance of bookkeeping. We have like 5 major importance of bookkeeping. The first one is financial clarity. This one means that it provides an accurate view of financial performance. Another importance of bookkeeping is tax compliance. It simplifies tax filing by maintaining clear records. The third importance of bookkeeping is budgeting. It helps to track spending and plan future expenses. The fourth importance of bookkeeping is decision making. It supports strategic planning with reliable data. The last, but not the least, of the importance of bookkeeping is audit readiness. It ensures the business is prepared for financial review. Thank you for listening.